Lessons from famous people.
Dr. Ben Carson said, "I struggled academically throughout elementary school, yet became the best neurosurgeon in the world in 1987. Lesson: struggling is a sign that you are on the verge of success. Don't quit yet." Bill Gates said, "I didn't even complete my university education, but became the world's richest man." Lesson: school does not make you rich. School is only supposed to polish what will make you rich, not make you rich.
Cristiano Ronaldo said, "I told my father that we would be very rich, but he couldn't believe me. I made it a reality." Lesson: your words rule your life. If you mean what you have said, each word will come to pass. You get what you say.
Lionel Messi: I used to serve tea at a shop to support my football training and still became one of the world's best footballers. Lesson: believe in your dream. Don't let your pain tell you how your future will look like.
Steve Jobs: I used to sleep on the floor in my friends' rooms, returning Coke bottles for food, money, and getting weekly free meals at a local temple. I later on founded Apple Company. Lesson: that you are small today doesn't mean you will be small tomorrow. Keep trusting God.
Former British PM, Tony Blair said, and I quote, "My teachers used to call me a failure, but I became a prime minister." Lesson: don't let someone else's opinions of you become your reality.
Nelson Mandela said, "I was in prison for 27 years and still became president." Lesson: you can be anything you want to be no matter where you have been or what you have been through. Founder of KFC said, "I was on the verge of suicide when an idea of opening a restaurant hit me after I retired as a cook in the Navy." Lesson: nothing is ever too late. Too late is a language of failures. Your future can begin at any age. Don't ever let age limit you. Barack Hussein Obama said, "I am a son of a black immigrant from Kenya. I graduated from Harvard and later on became a senator in Chicago. I was also the president of the most powerful nation on earth."
Lesson: never design your life like a garden where anyone can walk in and out. Design it like the sky where everyone aspires to reach. Aliko Dangote said, "I worked for my uncle since I was a small boy. People looked down on me. I later on took a loan from my uncle to open a tiny shop. I worked hard to make it works. Now I am the richest man in Africa." Lesson: failures or limitations of the past have no control over the greatness in you. To whom that believes, all things are possible.
Arnold Schwarzenegger said, "I traveled to America in search of financial independence when I was 15 years old. I became the world's strongest man 7 times and Mr. Universe. I then got my economics degree, then I became one of Hollywood's best actors. Then I was voted twice as governor of California." Lesson: don't wait for everybody to believe in your ability and dreams.
Elon Musk said, "I hate when people confuse education with intelligence. You can have a bachelor's degree and still be an idiot." And finally, I say, if you are willing to become financially independent, get a job. Don't try to become your own boss now. Humble yourself and work for other people to gain knowledge and experience. And then later, when you are still working for others, get your own business if you want. Let other people work for you. And if you like our video, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.